Yeah, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you're watching this video from and when you're watching this video. It's your boy Elzenitho, and I want to share how to export your designs as SVG from CorelDRAW and take it to wherever you want to take it to, even Figma. So let's say you have an illustration that you're working on, and you've made some edits and you'd like to send it to your designer or your UI designer to work on. Right? The first thing you want to do is this. First thing first, make sure that they are not grouped. A lot of times, people just export it as a grouped object. And so when they try to load it on Figma, the UI designer will probably have an issue. So make sure it is ungrouped. So Ctrl U to ungroup them such that every part is removable. Now select all, then Ctrl E. When you Ctrl E, just press O2. Now select SVG. When you press SVG and you press export. Now, before you continue, let me show you something. O2, make sure this is selected only, right? Ensure you click that selected only and press export. Now, the first thing you want to do is, because if you're using like the latest version of CorelDRAW, this is usually on the default setting of UTF-16, right? But make sure you change it back to UTF-8. Right, and this is as curves, and after doing that all settings can remain. Press OK. All right, after pressing OK, your illustration has been saved. This is it. You can press it to open it on your browser, right? So you can see this is what it looks like. Now if you open Figma, let me try to open Figma. All right, if you open Figma, you can then, I'll try to load up one of the stuff I'm working on. Now let me go to my personal page. This is my company's. Yeah. So let me open this one. Now you can easily export or import your file. Right? You can easily import your file. No, don't open a new page. Let's just see what with this. You can easily import your file. Let's bring it in desktop, drag, and copy. And you'll have this here. So just let me bring it out of this image. So you have it, you can see. Right? Let me drag it. Let me just bring it totally out of the container. Out of the main container, so it's standing alone. All right, so you can see that your SVG file is now on Figma. Now a UI designer can use this, and it not only use, he or she can adjust whatever it is based on the vector, right? He or she can adjust whatever it is. So for example, you can remove this if the UI designer can, like, there's no limitation for the UI designer, right? So same thing if you're doing like what's it called, pitch decks and stuff, right? So you can easily play around with this, Yeah, so that's easily one way to bring in SVG file from CorelDRAW Illustrator to Figma, right? So yeah, I hope this has been helpful. I ran into an issue like this a few days ago, and I found out that okay, there are some settings I need to just follow. And I figured let me just talk about it, and yeah, that's it. I hope it's helpful to you, and I'm going to see you next time.